Now let me know that friend everything is fine now. Use the chat box. Use the chat box, guys. Yeah. Okay. So let's start. Let's start the session. Okay. So now we are getting the form, right? We are getting the form. Whenever we will click the register button, right? We will get this form. If we want to see that what R record, right? R record. If we want to see the R record, right? Whenever we will click the view button, right? We will get R record. Okay. But what is that? After filling this data, right? After filling this data, whenever we'll still, if we send the data will not go, right? Data will not go. We have need to do some coding behind this one. Okay. Behind this one. Okay. Now whenever you will click what save button, the data will store in the database, right? The data will store in the database. Okay. So for that, what we will do now? Let's do the coding, right? Let's do the coding. Okay. Na? So for that, what we will do now? First, we will go in the service class. Okay. First, we will go inside the service class. Okay. So, but before going in the service class, come in the REST controller. REST controller. What is that? Save is there, right? Save method is there, right? So we have need to see the okay, save only, right? Save URI is the save only. Okay. So what is that? After then we will get if the data is storing in the database, what is that? Employee saved successfully, right? We will get the this message. Okay. So now come inside that what? Come inside that employee service, right? Come inside that what? Employee service class. Okay. Where the employee service class now? Where the employee service class? Employee service. Okay. So what is that? Employee service. Open the employee service TS. Okay. Now, so after opening the employee service TS, right inside that one method. What is that? Create employee. Just I'm writing what is that? Create employee, right? Create employee. Okay, so fine now, guys. Okay, so inside this one, what we will do now? This dot, what is that? HTTP, right? HTTP. This reference we will take, right? In the constructor already we imported. What is that? HTTP client, guys, right? Yeah, HTTP client, right? We are taking the HTTP reference, right? So HTTP reference dot, what is that? Come in the REST first, right? Right? Come inside that REST. What is that? Post methodology. We have need to send the data as a post, right? So come inside that. What we will do now? Post, right? Post. I'm taking what? Post. Inside that, what we will do now? Inside that, what we will do now, guys? Just we will write the logic. What logic we will write now? Okay. So dollar symbol, open bracket, close bracket, right? Open bracket, close bracket. After then what is that? This dot. This dot, what is that? Base path, right? Base path. We will take the base path. Okay. So after taking the base path, what is the URI of REST controller? Save, right? Save, right? So come inside that Angular. What is that? Save. You have to take the save. After then what you will do now? You have to send the what is that employee object also. So for that you have need to take what is that? Create what is that? Employee. What is that? Employee object, right? You will save the employee model data, right? Employee model data. After then what you will do now? Common comma employee, right? Employee. After then what you will get? What? Some response also, right? Some response also. What is that? Response you will get? You will get what? JSON response. To convert that JSON, what is that? JSON response into what? Text response. What you will do now? Response type, right? Response type comma, what is that? Text. I converted that one. Okay, I converted inside that what? Text, right? Text. Okay. So after then what we will do now? But this message we want to store some memory. I said that what memory name is what? Observable, right? Observable. We will take the generic type what? Any type data, right? Any type data. So after then whenever we are taking the observable, we have need to return, right? Something. We have need to take the return type. So now our service class, right? Our service class what? our service class logic be completed to perform what? To saving the employee data, right? To saving the employee data. So now where we will go now? Again, we have need to go inside what? Employee create component, right? Employee create component TS, employee create component TS, right? Where the employee create component TS, open this one, right? Open this one. Okay, so we have need to store the data, right? So for that, what we will do now, we will create the object of what? Our employee class model. So how we are creating now? Employee employee colon employee 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 equal to new. In the Java, different object creation is different, but in the what is Angular, right? Angular means TypeScript, object creation is like this only, right? Same things, we are creating the object only, but here what is that? We are taking the reference variable in first, okay, in the TypeScript. Okay, so now fine guys. So after then what we will do now? Same how we are doing now in the list component, right? Same things we will do the here also. What is that? We will take the service class. We have need to take the EJ relation between service class. So what we will do now? Private service colon what is that? Employee service, right? Employee service. Okay, employee service. Now another one is what also guys? Routing, right? So to clicking event, whatever clicking event is generating in the routing only, right? So what we will do now? Private, what is that? Router. Private router colon router, right? Router. Now import this one. Okay, so now thing is completed. Till now the things is completed guys. Okay, so next one is what? Next one is what guys? Next one is what? Okay, next one is what? So same things. Okay, same things. What we will do now? After then we will load in the ng. Because of that, see, in the first time we are saving the data, means we are not getting list of data. So what we have need to do now guys? We will take the this employee reference here, right? We will take the employee reference here. After then what we will do now? This we have to take the this employee this employee this employee equal to, right? This employee equal to what is that? New employee, right? So it's working like load on startup is there, right? At the time of starting the application, it will instantiate our object. Because of that, what is that? Ng on init method is there, right? So next one, okay, let's write the logic. What is that? Create what is that? Create employee. Create what is that? Employee method I'm taking, right? Yeah, create employee method I'm taking guys. Okay na? Inside that same what we completed previously in to show the list. Same things we will do, but little bit different, right? What is that? This dot service, we will call the service, right? Because already we imported here, right? We made has a relation, so service reference, right? We will take the service reference. After then we will call what? Service class method, right? What is that? Create employee, right? After then what is that? In the service class, that this method is sending what? This method is sending what? Data also, right? Data also, right? So what? So for that, but and that one, that method is argumented method. That method is taking what is that? Employee object, right? Employee object. See that here employee object is taking, right? So we have need to pass this reference, this object, right? This dot already we created employee object, right? So employee, we will pass this object. After then what is that? After hitting that method, it will return that method, means service class method will return some memory of data, right? That is what? Observable. So to read that observable data in what our application, what is that? Subscribe, right? We will call the subscribe method. Inside that, what we will do now guys? What we will do now? Next inside that, what is that? Data. Okay, data. Okay now, so now find data. If if success message, right? Else error. if error we are getting, right? If we are getting what error, right? If we are getting what error, so this one we will get, right? This one we will get. So why it's giving what error?
Put comma after curly
comma.
brace.
Yes, fine. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Now fine guys, so now okay, so next what we will do now, console. Here just I'm writing console dot log, right? Console dot log. Inside that what I'm going to do now, data, right? After then again what we will do now, this dot we have need to what, to send the message also. So what we will do now, I'm taking what, one message in a message, right? Colon any type. So now fine. So what is that? This dot message 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 equal to data. I'm storing this data inside this variable, right? So after then see that come here, okay? After saving that here, okay, no problem. It will resolve. It will resolve. Okay, I know that why it's doing that. Okay, so shall I do that here only? Okay, so now, okay, let's do that. This one, okay, this dot, what is that? Employee equal to refresh the page. For that purpose, I'm taking what is that employee object. Now, fine. Okay, so here what I'm going to do now, console.log. Console.log, okay, console.log. Inside that, what I'm going to do now, just I'm writing what? Error. Now, fine. Now everything is completed, right? Everything is completed now, guys, but we have need to bind this form data, right? What is that? But we have need to bind this form data, and we have need to perform some action. Okay, so then we can perform what? Then we can perform what? Save operation. So for that, to binding this data with our what? With our what? Model class. So for that, because of that, we are taking here what? One object, right? Based on that object reference, right? But based on that object reference, we have need to bind this data, right? We have need to bind this data, and on submit event we have need to generate based on that this method. So for that, first copy this method, right? Copy this method and come inside that. Here what is that? Here we will take one event, function we will call, one function we will call, okay na? In the Angular, one function is there. What is that? ng submit. Ng submit, right? Ng submit. Based on this method, right? What we operation we will perform? On click event, on submit event we will generate it, right? Whenever we will click the submit button, this event will generate. After then, what is that? Every field is there, right? Whatever field is there, guys, okay, whatever field is there, based on this field, based is missing. Where is missing? Where is missing, man? Where is missing? Is missing, comma is missing. Where? Jiten, something you are saying, man. Be active, man. Okay, if you are putting the message, please be active. Okay, let it be. If any error will come at the runtime, then we will resolve it. Okay, then we will resolve it. No issue, no issue. Okay, so after then, what? All field, whatever field is there, we have need to bind it, right? We have need to bind it with what? With what? Our model class. So for that, to binding our model classes, right? So for that, inside the input, right? Inside that input, what we will do now? Come inside that, right? Come inside that. We will bind that, like bracket. Inside that, what is that? This bracket. After then, what is that? Ng model. Ng model, right? Ng model. Ng model. After then what? And Ng model. Inside that, what we will do now? Open bracket, close bracket, comma. Now come inside that. What is that? Employee component. What is the reference name we are taking? What is that? Employee, right? Copy this same. This one must be matched with what? Here, right? Paste it. Paste it. After then, what is that? Input name is there. Copy this one and copy. Oh, employee, right? Employee is there, right? Employ, employee, comma, right? Paste it. Okay. Same thing do in every field. Same thing we have need to do what? Every field. Copy this one. Copy this one and come inside that this one. Okay. Paste it. Paste it. And what is that? What we will do now? PWD is there, right? Copy this one and remove, replace this one. Okay. So now again copy this one. Gender is there, right? Gender is there. Come inside the gender, paste it, and take the this this one, paste it here. Again, copy this one, paste it inside this input. Copy the gender only, right? Okay, so fine. One more field is there, right? Employee address is there. Copy this one. Come inside the text area, paste it. Right? One more country is there, right? Country is there. Copy this one. Come here. Sorry guys, network is so everything is fine. Let me know that. Use the chat box, guys. Use the chat box. Everything is fine now. Yes. Okay. Okay. So now everything is completed now. Okay, guys. So everything is completed. So let's move on. Okay. Let's move on and we will see that. Okay. So this is our what? Employee project form data is there, right? Employee. Why this one is coming on the form directly? Something goes wrong, right? No problem. We will resolve it. Okay. Where it is coming now? Employee name, right? Employee colon. Uh, how it's coming here now? Now I think. Yeah, fine, guys. So now come to browser. Yeah, everything is fine, right? So now, so but here what we will do now, we want to, we are taking in the employee create component one message also, right? Copy this one and come inside this one here in the downside, right? After saving that, we want to see the one message also, right? We want to see double. Okay, paste it. That's it. Now come to browser, right? Just refresh it. Just one time refresh it. Here, what I'm going to do now? Here, okay, I'm taking the Padma name. Okay, employee password something like this. Okay, female. I'm selecting the female. Address something. Okay, India. Now click the submit button. See that employee save successfully 10. Guys, you people are able to seeing that message. Come on, yeah. So, okay, so you want to see that in the database only one record is there, na? I'm refreshing. See, two record is there or not? Two record is there or not, guys? Come on, right? Come on, yeah. Use everyone chat box. Okay, I want everyone reply. Now you people are enjoying the session and I'm delivering good things to you people. I just I'm doing time pass. Huh? I'm doing time pass. I just I'm utilizing good time with you people. Right? Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So now save operation be completed, right? Save up. You want to see that? Come again. Come to browser, right? Another, right? If you want to see that here only, right? Already two data. See, only one data is there, right? Previously, only one data is there. Raja, right? 1 minute. Okay, come to here. Okay, now employee name is what is that? Raj. I'm taking what? Raj. Another one is what? Password I'm taking. See, here only one record is only two record is there, right? Only two record is there. Come to register button, right? So here I'm taking what is that? Raj. Another one is what? Password. Just I'm taking what? 188 and female address is something something. Okay. See also from belonging from the India. Now click on the save button. See, employee save successfully 11, right? So now you want to see that here only click on the view all. See, three record is there or not? Three record is there or not, guys? Come on. Three record is there or not? You want to delete? You want to delete any record? You want to delete? Okay, I'm deleting. I want to delete what? 13 record. Okay. I want to delete what? 13 record. I want to delete what? 13 record. So what we can do now? What we can do now? Just click on the delete button. Okay. See, here we are getting the message what? Employee deleted. Employee deleted, right? Employee deleted. Now, again, if you want to click the register button, then you will get the form here only, right? Then you will get what? Form. Okay. We are able to see the form again. Again, you can, if you want to put the record or data, you can put it, right? Now, view all. So, now, so how many operation be completed now guys? Selecting the list, deleting the and saving the data, right? But what we will do now, we have here we will give one more input, right? Edit. If see boss, if the end user putting the wrong data, right? If end user is putting the wrong data, so we have need to give this kind of facility also. They can what? They can edit the data, right? They can edit the data. So for that, again, what is that? This process is too much lengthy process. Okay, so now you people having the energy to listen the things. Okay, use the chat box. Okay, still you people able to continue session or shall I stop now? Because because yeah, continue. I stop it now. Based on that what your, because still it will take 2 hour time and I am ready to deliver this subject. Okay, I am ready to what? I want everyone reply, guys. I want everyone. Continue or shall I stop it now? Because this one will take near about still 2 hour time. Yes, only one person. What is that? Only one person. What is that? Srinivas Reddy is stopping the session. Okay, leave the session. Okay, leave it. I will complete today rest. Okay, I don't want touch what in the next weekend this module. Next weekend our what is that Spring Security module is there, and the next weekend only I will complete Spring Security and I will start Spring Boot. If you want, you can leave it. Yes. So, okay, let's take what is that? Just what is that? What we will do now? We will take what is that? Now 5:46 is happening, right? 5:46 is happening. So let's take 15-minute break, right? let's take 15-minute break and we will connect again, right? We will connect again and we will complete that operation also, right? Today we will complete total spring rest. Okay, this is our target. Okay, enjoy the session here. How, see how much I made easy integration with what, angular integration with what, our rest. Okay, it's my challenge. No one can explain like this. No one can explain like this, and no one can give what, real time visualization.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yes, yes.
Can you go to register page, sir?
Register page. Okay, I'm going now.
No, sir, in browser only.
Okay, in the browser I'm going now. Okay, so now register page. Now tell.
Here we have saving the data. I need to control goes to view page, sir. Directly there I need to show the employee successfully saved like that message, not here. Then what we need to do, sir?
Where you want?
Whenever you are saving the data here,
Hmm.
directly, yeah, it will goes to this page. I need to display the success message bottom of the page, sir.
Acha.
On that scenario, what we need to do?
Acha. Okay, that one also I can do, but think about that. If I'm giving, right, what is your thought process, man? Because of that, see, if after saving this data, if whenever I'm saving, suddenly if our page is redirecting again in this page only, right? So again, if end user want to store second record, then every time end user will hit what, register button, huh? Don't think like that only, okay na? Because of that, already I design. Okay, I can give whenever we will click on this one, okay na? Whenever we will click on that, whenever you will save directly, this view all page will come, okay na? That one also, there is no problem in that, but that is not good designing. Okay, we have need to design, see
Yeah,
what
okay,
is.
sir. I understood.
Hmm.
On that scenario, what we need to change, sir? That is
No,
the my smart.
nothing. You have to come in the what is that? Employee create component is there, right? Employee create
Yeah.
component is there. Just what I'm going to do now here after saving the data, right? After saving the data, just what you will do now? Just call this method, right? Call what? Call our what service? All record method. Okay, service all record method you will get. Okay, your page will redirect on the view all page, nothing more than else. Okay,
Then what about success message, sir? We are calling get all employee message method.
man, message, this success message I given, what is that? Just success message I given here, right? I already see, I stored here in the attribute, just this attribute. If you don't want this success message, what is that? Just what is that? Just remove this one, that's it.
No, sir. I need to pass this success message also get all employee method, because we are calling the get all employee method in the create component, right? Employee create component.
Where? Yeah, just let me know that. Okay, what is your thought process? I'm not understanding. I know that you are saying that key after filling that form, whenever we are saving the data, directly this page will come, right? Not this page
Yeah,
come.
success message also I need to display that page only.
uh, why you are thinking like that only, I don't know. Okay, the success message, if you want to see that in this page, that one also, there is no problem in that, right? That message what we will call in here only. But think about that, every time after saving the data, right, this page will show, right? This page will show how much network call will come, and how much, what is that performance will reduce or not your application.
On that case, sir, every time they need to see whether that employee is saved successfully or
Okay,
not.
okay,
We
listen,
need
listen, listen,
to on
listen,
page, right?
listen. In my point of view, I completed all those things. Okay. After then, you have to do practical and implement those things based on your recommendation. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
Thank you, sir. Yeah, got
yeah,
it.
based on your whatever your I given thought process, right?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. Do that. Okay. Now, implement whatever your thought process is there. Based on your thought process, you have to implement it. Okay. I don't have that
Yeah,
much time to do based on
yeah.
your
Okay,
thought
sir.
process.
Yeah, thank you,
Mm.
sir.
Yeah, okay. Now, anybody having any doubt? No, there is no, Suraj, there is no confusion in that, right? There is no confusion in that. But if we give our client like that, right, like that application, right, our client will kick us. Based on that, right, everything we have need, whenever we are developing in the real time application, we have need to take care each and everything. Okay, we have need to take care each and everything. He's saying that, think about that. Just if we fill that data, right, if we fill this data here again, and whenever we are clicking the save button, this message don't want, he don't want to save this, right, redirect this page on this one only, right. Again, if the employee will get this page, so again if end user want what to save another record, then again end user will come in this page. Think about that, how much network call will reduce, and how much means how much network call will be there, and what about your application performance, and the end user will become what, irritate. This is the thinking capacity of this person. Okay. I got his process, okay, na, but I can't do those things. And if you want to test my knowledge, don't test it, okay? Don't test it. You won't have that much capacity to test my knowledge. Okay, so okay, guys. So what is that? Let's already 5:52 is happening now. Okay, now let's connect again. What? Let's connect again 6:10. Okay, 6:10, 20 minutes, 18 minutes. After 18 minutes we will connect it and we will complete this module. Okay, we will complete this module. Okay, so let's stop the session, guys. We will connect what after 5:16. Okay, 6:10. 6:10 we will connect it. Okay, so okay, guys, take the tea break and do it. Okay, take the tea break and do it, and we will connect it again. Okay.